and I can call the second number as consequence. Now I'm going to give you an example about ratio. For example, here I have 6 blue balls and 8 red balls. What's the ratio between blue balls and red balls? So, ratio gonna be first number 6, second number 8. So, it's 6 over 8. I can write the ratio as this way too. I have 2 ways to write ratio. Write this or write it. About ratio's properties. The ratio has the same properties as fraction. Like what? What's the properties of fraction? Like reduction, simplifying, and comparison. Another property is that the ratio between two quantities has no units. Okay, this point is the rules that you had before. You must remember it. The perimeter of the square equals side length by 4. This rule, I'm gonna use it in answering question. The area of the square, side length by side length. The perimeter was the rectangle, length plus width by 2. The area of the rectangle, length by width. The circumference of circle, 2 by r. R is radius. Okay, now I'm giving you an example about simplifying ratio. As I told you before, I can write the ratio in this form. 25, I can read it like that. 25 to 45. How can I simplify it? As I do in fraction, I'm going to ask myself, 25 is divisible by what? 45 is divisible by what? Yes, in units place, I can see 5. So, this ratio divisible by 5. Start with 25. 25 divided 5 equals, yes, 5, 2. Don't forget 2. 45 divided 5 equals, it's 9. And this is the simplest form. Another example, 2,800, 3,500. I want to simplify it. As I can see, I can divide both sides by 100. Yeah. This is going to be 28. This is going to be 35. Now, I want a number. I can divide 28 by and 35 by. Okay, 28 is divisible by 7 and 35 is divisible by 7 too. 28 divided 7 equals 4. 35 divided 7 equals 5. Is it a simplest form? Yes. This is the simplest form for this ratio. This question is find the simplest form. 1.5, 2, 3. Now, I want to remove this point. How to remove this point? Yes, this point is like dividing by 10. So, I can remove it by multiplying by 10. So, 1.5 by 10 is going to be 15. 2, 3 by 10, 30. Now, I can easily divide by 15. 15 divided 15 going to be 1. 30 divided 15 going to be 2. And of course, this is the simplest form. 3, 2, 4, and 3 quarters or 3/4. Now, I want to convert this number into fraction. 4, all right here, 4. 4 by 4 equals 16. 16 plus 3, which is 19. Now I want to remove the whole ratio is greater than this one by this easy way. Another example for simplifying ratios, 5.5 to 22. I want to remove what? I said it before. I want to remove this point. Okay, this is one decimal part, so multiplying by 10. Multiplying 5.5 by 10 is going to be 55. To 22 by 10, I'm going to add 0. This number is divisible by 11 and this is 2. 55 divided 11 is 5. 22 divided 11, which is 20. This is the simplest form? No. I want to do another step. Divide 5. 5 divided 5 equals 1. 20 divided 5 equals 4. Yes, this is 1 and this is the simplest form. Complete the ratio between two numbers equals, as we said before, the first number over second number. I can say first term over second term too. Both are right. In the ratio A over B, the first term is half. The rule is first over second. So A is the first term and second term is going to be B. The ratio between the perimeter of a square and its side lengths. As we know, the perimeter of the square, sum of side lengths, which for S, its side length is S. So the ratio between perimeter, which is 4S, to side length, I can divide it by S, which is 4 to 1. So perimeter is 4 of side length, 4 to 2. This is the ratio between them. 4 to 6 is the same to 4 over 6. It's the same. Okay, 4 over 6. I can simplify it by dividing by 2. 6 gonna be 3 and 4 gonna be 2. The circumference of the circle to the length of its diameter. The circumference of the circle is, yes, we said it before, 2 by R, or another rule which is by D. D is the diameter. 2 diameter. Okay, divided by D. So the result is gonna be by 2, 1. Another question. Find the simplest form of the ratio. As we said before, that I have to compare between two same quantities, two same units. As I can see here, this is gram, this is kilogram. So I need to use units of weight. This is units of weight. I have here gram to kilogram. As I know that a kilogram equals 1000 grams. So this part with grams, I need this part of the side by grams too. 5 kilograms is 5000 grams. I won't write grams here. 3000 to 5000. Because ratio has no units. So the same units, gram, and the whole ratio has no units. Now I want it in the simplest form as he asked me to do. Divided by 1000. So it's going to be 3 to 5, which is the simplest form. 30 months to 3 years. Notice that this is months and this is year, so I wanna them the both sides with the same units. So I can change this, which is year, I can change it to months. So 3 years. How many months? 3 by 12, right? Which is 36. So now it's 30 months to 36 months too, because 3 years is 36 months. Now I can simplify it easily. Divide it 6, gonna be 5. Divided 6, gonna be 6. This is the simplest form. This is how I solve it.